हाय व्यूअर्स होप सो कि आप सब ठीक होंगे। व्यूअर्स, आज मैं आपके साथ एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। इनफैक्ट ये वीडियो एक बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो है। व्यूअर्स, मैं आपको बताती हूँ जो वीडियो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ आज, वो बायोलॉजी का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। सो व्यूअर्स, मैं आपको बताती हूँ जो वीडियो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ उसका टॉपिक है निमोनिया। यस गाइज़, आज हम निमोनिया के बारे में जानेंगे। तो व्यूअर्स, आपको मैं बता देती हूँ कि निमोनिया जो है एक रेस्पिरेटरी डिसऑर्डर है। सो व्यूअर्स, हम यहाँ पर इसको फाइंड कर लेते हैं गूगल पर ताकि हम इसकी मज़ीद एक्सप्लेनेशन ले सकें। तो व्यूअर्स, हमने इसे यहाँ पर फाइंड कर लिया है। लंग इन्फ्लेमेशन caused by bacterial or viral infection in which the air sacs fill with pus and may become solid. Inflammation may affect both lungs, double pneumonia or only one single pneumonia. What is the main cause of pneumonia? Pneumonia is mostly spread when people infected cough, sneeze, or talk, sending respiratory droplets into the air. These droplets can then be inhaled by close contacts. Less often, you can get pneumonia from touching an object or surface that has the germ on it and then touching your nose or mouth. नेक्स्ट व्यूअर्स, हम ले लेते हैं व्हाट आर द 5 सिम्टम्स ऑफ निमोनिया। अब सिम्टम्स क्या होते हैं निमोनिया के वो भी हम जान लेते हैं। The signs and symptoms of pneumonia may include cough, which may produce greenish yellow or even bloody mucus, fever, sweating and shaking, chills, shortness of breath, rapid shallow breathing, sharp or stabbing chest pain that gets worse when you breathe deeply or cough, loss of appetite, low energy and fatigue. What is the treatment for pneumonia? Medicines, antibiotics may be prescribed for bacterial pneumonia. Antiviral medicine is sometimes prescribed for viral pneumonia. Antifungal medicines are prescribed for fungal pneumonia. And over-the-counter medicines may be recommended to treat your fever and muscle pain or help you breathe easier. Next हम ले लेते हैं, is pneumonia very serious? It can be deadly. Pneumonia can be very serious and can cause death. Complications from pneumonia include respiratory failure, sepsis, and lung abscess, and are more likely to affect older adults, young children, those with a weakened immune system, and people with other medical problems. Who is at risk for pneumonia? Some people are more likely to get pneumonia: adults 65 years or older, children younger than 5 years old, people who have ongoing medical conditions, people who smoke cigarettes. Who is pneumonia diagnosed? How is pneumonia diagnosed? A chest X-ray is often used to diagnose pneumonia. Blood tests such as complete blood count (CBC) see whether your immune system is fighting an infection. Pulse oximetry measures how much oxygen is in your blood. Pneumonia can keep your lungs from getting enough oxygen into your blood. What is first stage pneumonia? Pneumonia की फर्स्ट स्टेज क्या होती है? कंगेशन जो है ये pneumonia की फर्स्ट स्टेज है. This is typically the first stage of infection that occurs after a pneumonia infection has dominated one of the lobes in your lung. The congestion stage typically lasts around 24 hours and your lungs become inflamed, red and weighed down by infection. Next हम ले लेते हैं what is the biggest symptom of pneumonia? A cough that produces green, yellow or bloody mucus is the most common symptom of pneumonia. Other symptoms include fever, shaking, chills, shortness of breath, low energy, and extreme tiredness. Pneumonia can often be diagnosed with a thorough history and physical exam. Is pneumonia worse at night? Walking pneumonia usually indicates a more mild pneumonia caused by a bacteria called Mycoplasma pneumonia. If you have walking pneumonia, your symptoms will be mild and you will probably function normally. Walking pneumonia symptoms include dry cough that's persistent and typically gets worse at night. सो व्यूअर्स, ये थे मेरी आज की वीडियो जो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर की। होप सो ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए काफ़ी बेनिफिशियल होगी। तो व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।